Imagine having the power to rescue your tired, overworked kidneys and restore them to their full vitality, all through the simple act of eating. It might sound like a dream, but it's within your grasp. Your kidneys, those unsung heroes of your body, work ceaselessly to cleanse toxins, regulate blood pressure, and balance pH levels. But when we overload them with unhealthy choices, it's like sending our trusty companions into battle without armor. Today, we'll dive into the world of kidney health and reveal the foods that can rejuvenate and energize these vital organs. No need for an elaborate journey, just a simple exploration of how your plate can transform your kidney health. Let's uncover the secrets to kidney revival through the power of food. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols and oleic acid, boasts antioxidant properties that shield your kidneys from cellular damage and bolster healthy blood vessels. Not only does it promote kidney health, but it also supports heart health by regulating blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 2. Garlic. Beyond its culinary charm, garlic's anti-inflammatory compounds, especially allicin, work wonders for your kidneys. They reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. A tasty addition to your meals with a wealth of health benefits. 3. Fish, the omega-3 elixir. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are omega-3 powerhouses. They combat inflammation, maintain robust blood flow, and provide high-quality protein without excess saturated fat and calories. Ideal for preserving muscle mass and overall health. 4. Blueberries. Delicious and packed with antioxidants, blueberries safeguard your kidneys against cellular damage, inflammation, and free radicals. Their low potassium content makes them kidney-friendly, making them an excellent choice for those with kidney disease. 5. Cauliflower. Fiber-rich cauliflower, loaded with vitamin C, offers kidney support by reducing inflammation and assisting with weight and blood sugar management. Its low potassium and phosphorus levels make it a kidney-friendly choice. 6. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers, bursting with vitamins and antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin A, and beta-carotene, are vital for kidney health. Vitamin C's potent antioxidant abilities combat inflammation, essential for maintaining robust kidneys. 7. Apples. It's a nature's kidney repairer. Apples, high in fiber and antioxidants, help manage weight, blood sugar levels, and overall kidney health. Their diuretic properties promote urination, beneficial for those with kidney issues. 8. Cranberries. They are the urinary tract infections fighters. Cranberries excel in preventing and treating urinary tract infections, UTIs, common complications of kidney disease. Proanthocyanidins, present in cranberries, inhibit bacteria from adhering to urinary tract walls, reducing infection risk. 9. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. They maintain stable blood sugar levels, crucial for kidney health, and support overall well-being. 10. Cabbage. Low in potassium and phosphorus, high in fiber and antioxidants like vitamin C, cabbage is a kidney-friendly choice. It boasts anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to your kidneys' well-being. Incorporate these kidney-nourishing foods into your diet while embracing a healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated, limit salt intake, manage blood pressure, and maintain a healthy weight. Your kidneys will thank you for the love and care, ensuring their longevity and your overall well-being. Like our video if you find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our daily health awareness videos.